This is the class of standard 6 social science topic unit 1 chapter 2 diversity and discrimination. I have already discussed what is diversity. Today I am going to discuss about the discrimination. Diversity growth discrimination, diversity in various aspects of life, religion, food, culture, race, tradition, financial condition, geographical and political, religion and social conditions. The physical conditions, next diversity, the people of Syria and the people of Mediterranean. Here we discuss the people of the world in different religions and different caste, color and tradition. According to the geographical table, we may say that all over the world there are 8 main religions. These 8 main religions are singularly used in India and moreover 600 languages all over the world. 425 languages are used in India. Among them, 225 languages is used by the people of India, which is about 130 crores. Moreover, 22 languages are sanctioned by our Indian Constitution, such as Bengali, English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu. These are the numbers of 22. The people of all the world uses this language, and the people of India uses this language for days after days. But what is discrimination? Discrimination provides by diversity. The main source of discrimination, if a person who speaks in English or Bengali, in his fellowships and travel, if he did not know experience about that very languages such as English or Bengali, either he will speak in Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Konkan, Malayalam, and so many things. But we should not look down upon him or them as a lack of our language, which is our mother tongue. That will not be the mother tongue of the others. The people of Andhra Pradesh speaks in Tamil. The people of Orissa speaks in India, but there is an official language that is called Hindi and communicate language that is called English. Hindi or English or Sanskrit, it bends the life of the different states, the different people of the different states. In the same way, we speak around Sanskritayam, the great word in Hindi language, Mahasi Das did, the great poet of Sanskrit language, Rabindranath Tagore, the great poet of Bengali literature, and so on. Pandit Raghunath Murmu, the poet of a learned man and scholar in Sanskrit language. That is called Alchiki. Even today, the dance program, the folk dance, the West Bengal, the Odisha, the Assam, the Andhra Pradesh, the Punjab, and others, every state has special dance, special folk program. In West Bengal, we may discuss about folk dance, Punjab Bhangra, Dandi dance, Ras Nritya, Kathakali, Kerala, Kuchipudi, but there are unifications. When we see the screen in the TV on the eve of 26th January, the Republic Day, we watch how beautiful the folk dance, how beautiful each and every state's cultural program. They celebrate our soldiers, celebrate our presidents, and so on. But if you go down, the people of another state, in caste or region, it makes discriminate. Discriminate is a great sin. It harms the nations. It breaks the nations into pieces. So we must not forget that the caste and color and creed, we all forget it to make one nation, one country, one religion. That is one universal religion. Vivekananda said, we have one religion, that is man-made religion. So we must follow the path of Vivekananda, Rabindranath, and so many other philosophers and pathfinder and pioneer of our modern India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Constitution, when he was a student, he was tortured by the king of Baroda, bear all sorts of expenditure, and he became a lawyer and became a learned man. In his constant effort with Gandhiji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and so many Indian leaders, and the Iron Man of India, that is called the Bhagavad Medal, hard and toil for the unification of India. Just after independence from the British colonies, they tried heart and soul to form one nation, one country, with the dedication of their lives. So we must not forget that discriminate makes the people like a beast. We must not forget that discriminate break the country into pieces. In the past 2 or 3 decades, many countries were break into pieces for discrimination. India 75 years ago divided by India and Pakistan for religious purposes, and the very same way it was same divided by Pakistan, East Pakistan and West Pakistan, and a new sovereign state was born. that is called Bangladesh in 1971 on 16th December. So this is our motto, this is our education, that we must avoid discriminations from intention, the student, the people, all caste, all class, and remove the prejudice, remove the vanity, and above all, we make our country good, happy, and prosperous with our heart and soul efforts. Namaskar.